Welcome to Module 4, everyone. There is almost a weekly headline about an institution scrambling to deal with generative AI or deploying automated data tools that wind up unwittingly marginalizing the same students who need support the most. For future superintendents, deans, and executive leaders, quick fix tech vans or blindly jumping on every trendy platform is simply not an option. It is not our business to have a panic reaction. It is our business to govern technology with clarity, responsibility, and intentional vision. This week, we are moving away from abstract theory and diving right into real-world crisis management. You will assume the role of a vice president of Metropolitan State University in a high-stakes situation. You've got a professors raising some very real ethical questions. You've got students demanding transparency about their data privacy. You've got a board of trustees who want something tangible and actionable on their desk in 2 weeks. Your job will be to look at the raw data, work with the K-Campus stakeholders, and develop a forward-thinking policy that protects vulnerable students but leaves room for real innovation. All learning materials are available as screen reader text and downloadable audio so you can listen on the go, making learning flexible and accessible to all. For a group activity, you can participate either by written discussion postings or short video briefs, whichever format works best for you and your schedule this week. Once again, good morning and may God blesses us all.